Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, September 10th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, corn is steady, a little easier, soybeans 7 to 8 lower, and wheat is steady, a shade better. I want to point out real quick, this Thursday we have a big crop report, so leading up to that report, the market might get quiet. We've seen a little bit of a correction the past couple days, especially in the soybeans. And again, it is really all about the soybeans right now. Keep in mind that 1 month ago, off of a crop report, beans went from roughly around 11.60 and climbed straight up, had two good pops over 14 bucks. Currently, we're about 13.50. That's November basis. And normally this time of year, grains in general, but especially the new crop beans, we see prices move lower. And I say normally, that's just a seasonal thing. And, from year to year, it doesn't mean it's always going to happen. But, traders are used to the market moving lower this time of year as the fresh supply hits the pipeline. So yesterday we got the weekly crop condition update, and the market was looking for, another decline in the crop condition. Well, we got there. We went from 54% good to excellent down to 52% good to excellent in the soybean crop condition. Now, that isn't quite as much as what traders were pricing in, so that might be part of the reason why we're a little bit lower right now. In the corn, we went from 56% good to excellent to 54. So again, I really do think it's about the soybeans. As far as corn goes, the tips might not fill in on the cob as much as we would hope, but for the most part, I don't see the corn crop getting smaller while the soybean crop appears to be getting smaller. And that's what we've priced in. Again, we've had almost a $2.50 rally. So on this report Thursday, we're going to need to see a big change. We're pricing in right now somewhere around 41 to 42 bushels per acre in production. So keep that in mind. If we see something, 42 or better, I'd say that's kind of bearish, and maybe we go back down to $13 or so. If we see something less than 40, on the other hand, then maybe we get above, $14 after that. But this number, I think, is going to give direction to the soybeans for the remainder of the year. We're going to get a clearer picture on how much we have. Demand has always been there for the soybeans, continues to be strong. So it's a question of supply more than demand right now. This should be a big report, and that's all I have time for now. Please feel free, shoot me an email or give me a call. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.